Hi everyone and welcome to Naples, the city where I decided to spend my 30th birthday. GG!
Three enormous castles, a royal palace, cathedrals, a city center which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, dating back to 470 BC, and incredible food.
So, what are 10 possible attractions I would suggest to a foreign friend who comes to visit Naples?
Piazza del Plebiscito has always been the symbol of Naples. Opposite you will find the Royal Palace. That's why the square is one of the most elegant spots in Naples. Nearby you will find the Umberto I Gallery.
Stendhal said there is nothing in all of Europe come close to this theater.
A sacred place of Italian opera. The seafront of Naples is one of the most fascinating landscapes of the city, overlooking all the Gulf. The walk passes through Castel del Lobo, the oldest castle in Naples. In Napoli Sotterranea or Naples Underground, you will discover the Greek and Roman influences, and you will be able to relive the tragic days of the Second World War. The Mascangioino Castle is the icon of historic Naples and one of the main attractions of the city. It is an ancient castle built in medieval style and renovated in Renaissance style. A gem to visit is the cloister of Santa Chiara. Two paths with pillars covered with majolica representing scenes taken from the daily life of the time. A place that gives you so much serenity. The highest point of Naples Hills is Castel Sant'Elmo, from where you can see almost every point in the city. Once here, go to the Belvedere of San Martino, the most romantic terrace in Naples. Along the seafront to the west, you will arrive in Posillipo, a haven of tranquility and excellent restaurants where you can eat fish. One of the reasons for the charm of Naples is the possibility to taste amazing food spending a few euros. In the description of this video you will find some places where I ate particularly well.
A stay in Naples is a continuous discovery, and don't miss the opportunity to make your holiday unforgettable by visiting nearby attractions such as
Pompeii, Herculaneum, Vesuvius, Sorrento, Amalfi, Positano, Ischia, Capri and Procida.
And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
Tanto per te. Eiaculazione precoce.